Hey everybody, I'm Simon. I'm the founder and the head product designer at Backline Expedition Gear. We're doing this short video to explain some of the details about our insulated extension pods and the reason why I think your van should be built with these. I've owned and traveled in camper vans, and this is going to age me a bit here, but for close to 25 years. If there's something that I know, that insulation is very important. When I set out with our fiberglass team to create the first extension pods, obviously their insulation was top priority, along with the fit and the fact that they were going to be compatible with many different windows. In front of me here is a set of 144 regular depth extension pods with two different finishes. This one has the color matched with Indy liner at the bottom and at the top, and that's to prevent stone chips. And this one is completely finished with our Indy liner. Both are great products, and it really depends on which one you like the most. If you're wondering what is Indy protective coating, it is just the best polyurea-based product you can spray in a truck bed, and this is what we use on our extension pods along with our front bumpers and rock sliders and ladders. We just love this product because it is so good. So this finish is very durable, keeps its shine over time, and that's why we think it's the best. Also, you will never have to worry about pinstripes or stone chips. Stones will just be bouncing off this soft finish on it, so we just love it. Also, you'll be saving a little bit of money because it's cheaper than having a color match done. You can also install the pods on your van without windows, and down the road, if you decide that you need to add a window or two, you can simply use a jigsaw, cut a hole, and bond a new window in place. So now let's talk about our insulation. This sample here has been finished with Indy liner, just like this one on the top. But take a look at this. This is a sandwich. So this is what you get when you buy your extension pods. First, you have a layer of fiberglass. Then you have the insulation and a second layer of fiberglass sandwiched together. That means no condensation can get between the insulation and the fiberglass, so it'll keep your van nice and dry. You'll be pressing maybe your feet against the wall here, and that's an R5 insulation. It's exactly what you're looking for. Now let me show you what they look like from the inside. The inside of the pod is fairly flat here. This is our insulation with fiberglass on top. Some people are finishing the inside of their pods with just fabric or some sort of carpet that they're gluing directly onto the fiberglass. A 1/4-inch panel can also be put here with upholstery on top, or maybe it's a varnish you want to go with. And keep in mind, one nice feature because of the insulation, you can use short screws to set your 1/4-inch finish panel on the inside, maybe while the glue is drying, or maybe it's how you want to have them held. So that's up to you. The footprint of our 144 extension pods is the exact match to the window that you would be removing if you had a passenger van here. That means that you will not have to deal with the glue or the urethane glue that Mercedes is putting alongside the bottom of the window here. For cargo and crew vans, our extension pod will be matching perfectly this body line and following the contour of the van. In front of you here, you have a set of 144 regular depth. This here is the extended depth. On the 144, we can only extend the driver's side, as on the passenger side, it will interfere with the sliding door. If we're talking about 144 wheelbase Sprinter or a 170 wheelbase, a deeper or longer bed will be more comfortable. Now, if you're up to 6'1", the regular depth is probably okay for you. If you're any taller than 6'1" and comfort is important, you might want to go with the extended depth. I'm 6 foot tall and I fit perfectly in both the regular and the extended depth. I would just say that I'm more comfortable in the extended depth, but they stick out from the vehicle quite a lot. I found that when we install a side ladder, kind of breaks the angle of the pod, kind of gives it the more like an expedition vehicle kind of look. If you're 6'5" or 6'6", like we have customers like they're this tall, then the extended is the only option for you. In our installation video, you'll be able to see how we install the pods onto a van, and then decide if it's something that you think you can do. You can also decide to hire a professional to get them installed.